Hari has been helping people around the world making money through forex trading. So Doctor, welcome. Good to have you here with us this morning.
Thank you.
Alright. Doctor, I understand that you have set up an organization called SSL FX Guru that helping people around the world making money through forex. Can you share with us what's the mission and the mission objective of SSL FX Guru?
SSL FX Guru is a company started by us, Dr. Hari and Dr. Wani, to establish the knowledge of financial trading, financial investment, and becoming a millionaire in a period of time with a successful system. Okay. The mission of SSL FX Guru is to help people all around the globe. We are planning to make 1 million millionaires by the year 2020. To achieve this, we have actually come out with a successful system, and it is already running in a few countries around here. And for the start of 2012, the first quarter of the year, we are planning to expand it to Australia. What SSL FX Guru does is, we help you make 1 million. You help donate 10% of it to charity. If we fail to help you make your 1 million, we will give you a money back guarantee.
Oh, excellent. Right, Doctor, can you probably share with us how do you started your forex venture?
There are actually many kinds of businesses around the world, and I was pretty much excited with the world's second oldest business, that is forex trading. Why I choose forex trading is because the biggest institutions or the money makers, the money movers of the world are all into this major business. Compared to share trading or futures or stocks, I like forex trading because it has a trading volume of $4 trillion per day. And in this business, the opportunity for you to make money is also very, very high, provided you are bounded by certain rules and regulations. So, in pursuing this, I believe that by doing forex trading, it will actually help one improve their lifestyles, the standards of living, and help them achieve their dreams, which is freedom of time and freedom of money. For me, when I first started, I had to go through the pain of learning from different teachers, reading books, buying magazines, following up the markets on the fundamentals and technical. Today, with all these years of experience, I'm able to systemize an appropriate system which has actually helped me achieve the time freedom and money freedom. And today, I'm sharing that wonderful experience with many people around the globe.
Right, thank you, Doctor. So what, as a forex trader, in your opinion, what are the main principles as a forex trader must follow?
The basic or the primary principle that everyone must have is discipline. Lacking of disciplines brings you down to dirt. So the first step is you need to have the discipline to learn how to trade. And once you learn how to trade, the most important thing here is your discipline of trading. If you do not have a disciplined mindset, losses is what you will see in forex trading. Okay. Upon conquering the discipline of trading, you will go to the next level of patience. When you have the level called patience and discipline driven together, you will come up with a successful system which will actually enable you to earn a monthly figure of maybe 5,000 to 9,000 US dollar with a small capital you start off with.
Very interesting. So meaning that as a normal trader, I started out with a small capital, eventually it will roll out into $1 million.
Yes, that is what SSL FX Guru does. We do not encourage you to come in with a very big amount of money. We ask you to come with a very small amount of money, which is comfortable for you. Let it be from a range of 1,000 USD up to 5,000 USD. And within this range of money, we will only encourage you to trade nothing more than 2.5% of the capital. Meaning to say, for every 1,000 US dollar, you should only trade nothing more than 75 USD. And with this income, you can actually achieve your 1 million ringgit. And if you fail to do so, we give you a guarantee of money back.
Alright. So basically, you guarantee in any how we will become millionaire.
Provided you are within my system. And when we guarantee you to become a millionaire, whatever withdrawals that you make, you should donate 10% of it to charity. when you are having a source of income which is actually helping you have a better life, it is also appropriate for you to help those who are needy. That's what the rich does. When you have money, you help those who don't have the money.
So meaning that if I withdraw of my earning from my Forex account, I am required to donate 10% of my earning into charity.
Yes.
Is there any charitable organization that I prefer?
Yes, definitely. There are many charitable organizations out there looking for a form of help and support. So if you know of one and we help you to make your money, because not everyone has the power to donate. They have the heart, but they don't have the power. So what we do here is, when you have the heart and you have the determination to become rich, we will help you make your money. As you make your money, we say 10%, but if you want to donate more than that, you are welcome to do so. And you donate to your charitable organization that you would like to donate to, and you just email us a receipt as a proof that you have donated 10% to charity.
Wonderful, wonderful cause. And for the viewer out there, if you are interested to engage Dr. Hari or talk more Dr. Hari, how can the viewer contact you?
We have our Facebook sites up, Twitters. You can find my profile in LinkedIn. And also, to know more about SSL FX Guru's vision, mission and objective, kindly visit www.sslfxguru.com.
Alright, so for all the viewer out there, if you are interested, kindly do visit the website and the Facebook that Dr. Hari just mentioned. And I will thank you, Dr. Hari, for your time.
Right,
Thank you.